Yep, you can do it in a Google Doc. Okay, so again, before he leaves office, uh, John Adams, was going to appoint Marbury as Justice of Peace. It's like a position as a judge. And then Jefferson takes office. And when Jefferson takes office, him and Madison, they say, yeah, let's not put this guy in. We don't want him to be in this position. So they decide to not appoint him. Then the guy takes it to the Supreme Court. But basically, what the court says, so John Marshall, they say, okay, well, yeah, Jefferson should have given him the job. But then what they say after that is surprising. They say the court actually doesn't have jurisdiction in this case. There had been another law passed called the Judiciary Act of 1789, and it gave the Supreme Court the ability to get involved here. And John Marshall says that law never should have been passed. That law is not constitutional because the Constitution highlights that the executive branch should appoint these positions, not the courts. So they basically say the law is unconstitutional, so we're not going to rule on it. This isn't for us to get involved in. This is the first time in U.S. history that the Supreme Court says that one law was actually unconstitutional. Okay, so what this does, again, it's setting up a pattern where the Supreme Court, they're then looking and deciding what is constitutional and what is not constitutional. So this is the first time they do that, but they do it many times after. So it's just, again, that pattern, right? The Supreme Court judicial review, they're just analyzing, should this law be allowed based on the Constitution?